Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and integrate Google Drive API using OAuth, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with downloading and integrating the Google Drive API using OAuth, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Once logged in, create a new project by Select a Project at the top. Click on New Project and give your project a name. Click on Create to finalize the project setup. Next, locate the API and Services tab in the left sidebar. Click on Library to access a list of available APIs. In the search bar, type Google Drive API and select it from the results. Click on the Enable button to turn on the Google Drive API for your project. Now, return to the API and Services menu and click on Credentials. Select Create Credentials and then choose OAuth Client ID. If prompted, configure the consent screen by filling in the required fields. Choose application type based on your requirements, such as web application or desktop application. For a web application, specify authorized redirect URIs where users will be sent after authentication. Click Create to generate your OAuth Client ID and client secret. Make sure to copy these credentials for later use. Next, download the credentials file by clicking on the download icon. This file will usually be in JSON format and contains your OAuth details. Now, proceed to install the Google API Client library for your programming language. For Python, you can use pip by running pip install upgrade Google API Python Client Google. Load the credentials from the JSON file you downloaded earlier. Utilize the OAuth 2.0 flow to authenticate users and obtain an access token. Ensure you handle the token securely and refresh it as needed. With the token in hand, you can now initiate requests to the Google Drive API. Choose the desired endpoint from the Google Drive API documentation based on your project needs. Craft your API requests and utilize methods like list, upload, or delete files as required. Lastly, implement error handling to manage any exceptions during API calls. Once everything is set up, you are ready to work with Google Drive through your application using OAuth. Always remember to follow best practices for securing your credentials and tokens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.